you're slipping.
Today's video, I'm going to be doing a breakfast prep freezer meal video for you guys. So I'm going to be making a double batch of my pumpkin muffins. I have made those before in a video. I'll link the video below. It was like fall something. It was like a fall themed video from last year, so I will link it below for you. But of course I'll just show you kind of what I'm doing. I'm gonna be making some egg, cheese, and sausage burritos, some pancake and sausage sandwiches, some scrambled eggs, like lots of scrambled eggs. So if you're new here, we're a family of 7 excuse me, so we go through a lot of scrambled eggs in the mornings, and they are good in the refrigerator, cooked for like 3 to 4 days. I'm gonna get started with the pumpkin muffins first.
Possibilities lately, you got the best of me, yeah, yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I. Slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no, we're running out of space between good and bad, running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I, you and I.
To start on our egg, cheese, and turkey sausage burritos. I've just got a little bit of butter here that I'm gonna turn on to start melting. And I just usually use garlic salt. This actually has parsley in it, black pepper, onion powder, and then a little bit of Italian seasoning. So if you're somebody that you only ever use salt and pepper, maybe switch it up a little bit and try a little bit, you know, of more seasoning and see what you think. My family absolutely loves it. This is how we like our eggs, so that's what I do. But of course, you know, you do you. But all right, let's get started.